Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So me and my dad recently just bought the RML 690 power rack from Rogue. So we got the first delivery today, 21 pieces to be exact. We've got another 4 coming tomorrow. Then we can start to get this thing built. So we just got one more delivery, which came with the barbell we bought. We're still waiting on one more though, which is our adjustable bench, but we can make do without that for now. Okay, let's get this built. Okay, let's see what we got. So we've got the parts for the actual rack. We also got the plate storage. I think it came with 8 of those. We also got the J cups. Got the fat skinny pull-up bar and the safeties. And also the fat skinny pull-up bar. All of those come with the actual rack. We've got the Ohio stainless steel barbell. We've also got the Rogue training plates, the bumper plates, 140 kilograms. And we also bought some change plates, which I think are going to be key in helping us to get higher 1 rep maxes. We also got a few add-ons to the rack. We got the Matador dip bar and also a landmine. We've also got this big pile of boxes that's going to be a big trip to the tip. Right, let's get this thing built. So we started by laying everything out in order in terms of when we needed it. This made it easier. Having 2 of us also made it a lot easier. I'd also recommend you to have all the nuts and bolts in piles so that you can just grab them when you need them. And it's finally finished. Also the bench came, so we've got everything now. Done a few lifts in it already. It's pretty sturdy. The weights keep it to the ground. We've also not attached it to the ground either, because we didn't want to ruin the floor. We also bought these mats for deadlifts, so we can drop it on the floor and not damage the floor. In terms of the bench, we got the adjustable bench. It's pretty sturdy and heavy. I think it'll hold a lot of weight. So in terms of the height, it's 90 inches tall. I can overhead press in the actual rack, and I'm 5'10". So overall, very happy with it so far. I might do a review in a couple of months to talk about it some more and say whether I'd recommend buying one. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing lots more videos using this rack, including exercise videos and tutorials and workout plans. So if you want to see all of that and you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.